I'm getting old, yeah. I have to look after myself. But I think I just be happy, stay positive, get that beautiful positive energy from the universe and you throw that same energy. I just want everybody should be happy. वो happiness say maybe वो weight control में है.
सब कुछ. It looks like you're doing yoga 24/7. वो बुंदा वाली feel है आपके face पर. But making a track also like this also. Samiksha is very involved. The both of you have been involved in front of the camera, behind the camera, behind the camera. Your family. Is it difficult to work with your wife?
Samiksha is actually she is an actress.
Yes.
तो काफी movies की हैं, TV series वगैरह की हैं. So I think she understands cinema very well.
Right.
मुझे याद है सारे like during lockdown.
Yes.
We shot this video called तेरे नाल.
Yes.
उस टाइम मेरी मेट थी सिंगापुर में और मेरी असिस्टेंट थी. हमने कैमरा दे दिया उनको और फ्रेमिंग समीक्षा ने कर दी कि भाई आप खड़े हो जाओ. मैंने कहाँ खड़े होना है? She's like नहीं. We will make it very nice COVID style kind of thing कि वो डॉक्टर्स हैं. तो I think I think she has that instinct, that she understands camera, she understands storytelling. अच्छी सुनते ही कोई स्टोरी दिमाग में आती है समीक्षा की. तो इस गाने के साथ भी she curated everything very well. And I think I thank her for this beautiful creation. And obviously thank you Urvashi for being part of this song. क्योंकि working with her was amazing. She's such a lovely person. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. मुझे थोड़ा ये था कि कैसी होएंगी, like I mean, because she's been here, has done so many, albums and, lot of other things. So, लेकिन comfort zone था, this is the most important thing when you're working with a co-star.
And before I call her on stage, I have to say, she's one of the hardest working individuals I have known. Again, मैं भी इनको इतने सालों से जानता हूँ. जब वो stage पर आ रही हैं, she has worked her way up. She has reached the stage where everyone now knows. Like I said, लोग नाम के लिए इतना कुछ करते हैं और कई बार लोग नाम नहीं पहचानते हैं. But Urvashi Rautela today, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the most loved faces on Indian cinema, Indian television.
Yes.
Please to welcome her on stage. I can have a chair for us. Urvashi, welcome. Once again. Can I just have a mic, please? The mic is
added to my filmography, and people love to hear all those tracks. So I'm very happy and very, fingers crossed that also the same thing happens with our track Rabba Kare, that it adds up to the filmography and people love it.
लोग होते हैं ना, share it happens. When you have there's a lucky charm हो जाता है. But the lucky charm sort of works. It really. Just one sec. Should I wait for the lights to come back on?
No, we can continue.
Okay, good. So एक lucky charm बन जाता है. And it sort of really works. And I think she's become that lucky charm. Wherever you go, you'll see Urvashi these days.
And she's traveling, I think, every day. I mean, मैं देखता हूँ कभी गोवा में होती है, कभी वहाँ होती है, कभी यहाँ. It's really amazing. See, keeping yourself, engaged with so many things, and again, keeping yourself so fit and fine.
That is another thing also.
That is.
Urvashi का जो workout schedule उसको देखकर ही मैं बेहोश हो जाऊँ.
It's very difficult. यार आदमी की हालत बुरी होती है. But I think it's all a hard work, and I'm saying मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि बहुत ही मजा आया. हमने जो काम किया दुबई में 2 days का शूट था हमारा. So it was fantabulous working with her, and I personally wish her all the success in her forthcoming projects, whatever she's doing. And obviously रब्बा करें. अभी गाना है, आप सब प्लीज प्यार करिए, शेयर करिए.
I told my parents that I'm working with him, and they were really over the moon, and they were very happy because they love him. And they told me, "Honey, you're working with Sheila as well? Okay, you don't have to worry." That's what exactly they said. You don't have to worry. And right from that moment, I didn't worry at all. And it has been such a smooth ride. I think I find him really very unique because apart from being truly super successful, businessman, at the same time, how do we say, आजकल वो song trend चल रहा है ना, millionaire. So I would say that he is such a successful businessman, but in every successful businessman you'll find this one thing, that they lack the creative part, which I don't know from where he gets this so perfectly. He has this such a emotional, very gentle, very such a great music sense, and he is very high on creativity, and that's where we really blend it all together. But at the same time, he is so good in what he does, which is his original business. So I think it's a great mix, and this is the kind of a mix which it's really hard to find, and he's the rarest one.
इतनी बड़ाई
मैं वही बोल रहा था सर. But Shell is what she said is absolutely right. It's very difficult to do
so
both.
kind of you. I'm really kind of you. And thank you so much. And likewise, same goes for her. The amazing human being, amazing person. You know, I saw her that song Sanam Re. You know, one thing good about Urvashi is that she can mold herself into any character. तो इसमें जो डिफरेंट हमने कोशिश की कि आपको शो है दैट सिंप्लीफाइड काइंड ऑफ दैट रोल राइट इतना अच्छा बन के आया तो यू नो वी ऑल आर हैप्पी है बस अभी तो हम आपके ऊपर है
सबके ऊपर है but you know it's a large team that was involved to take the track also. Was this an immediate yes? Like ऐसा था multiple versions इसके बने थे या फिर जैसे कई बार होता है ना you're not back and forth चलते रहता है ऐसा हुआ था इसमें या immediately yes हुआ?
नहीं I think immediately yeah we had the story we had the screenplay ready and so once she was on board that's it we just shot 2 days and yeah.
I like the arrangement of the track also. Beach में a lot of the songs that you have this love story vibe. There's a nice groove to it also, and there's a lot of electronic element that goes into it. So whose idea was that?
This was completely my music composer. Actually, I went back to my old team from Helium. So, Vidur Goswami, I call it Vidur, is that Bengali. तो मैंने कहा दादा कुछ अलग करते हैं, जेन ज़ी का कुछ करते हैं, थोड़ा अपबीट करते हैं, मुझे ना वो मेलोडी चाहिए. ठीक है, रोमांटिक गाना करेंगे, but again I have this vision that let's make this track a little, like as you rightly said, electronic, a little upbeat guitars. तो वो फिर उन्होंने कुछ बना के मुझे भिजवाया. So we were jamming here. 2-3 आई melodies. So finally I thought that this is the one we should.
Picks off very nicely. Just before I open up to also the public also, what is on your playlist right now? Rishi, you're traveling like Shell said. You're always traveling. क्या सुनते हो? Because I know you're not doing the meetings that your team is
I
doing.
might travel after this as well.
Immediately. आप गोवा होगा ना यार. But I want to understand what is on your playlist. क्या सुनते रहते हो? Music सुनते हो या फिर script reading चलती रहती है? क्या सुनते हो?
I'm a big time music lover, and I've been hearing a lot. Let's सखी जब से पिया परदेस गावन किनोर खटत मोहे तारे गिन गिन एरी आरी पिया बिन सखी आरी पिया बिन.
Unrehearsed. Live. I have.
Thank you.
This is wonderful. Urvashi, मेरे पास लाइव सिंगर्स आ जाते हैं, मेरे रेडियो स्टूडियो में आते हैं, मेरे टेलीविजन स्टूडियो में आते हैं और वो नहीं गाने को तैयार रहते हैं यार. और वो बोलते हैं गला खराब है मेरा. So fantastic. Shell, now she's sorry you have to sing रब्बा करें.
This was pretty much.
Yes, it's wonderful. So wonderful.
एक गाना गाना चाहूँगा चलो ये है यहाँ पर and आप भी सब हैं. So the song actually which kind of changed my perception for love songs and जहाँ शुरुआत हुई थी मेरी. So I'll sing a few lines of English. तू ही जिंद मेरी है दिल दा करार नी तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता उड़कदा मैं तेरा रास्ता सोनिए हीरिए तेरी याद आंदी है सीने विच तड़पदा है दिल जान जांदी है. Thank you.
Flashback हो गया वहाँ. Before I open out, we'd love to hear Rabba Kare also a couple of lines from you guys.